Guys, welcome to Madison Bell. Today we're going to be talking about a smart bark collar that you put on your dog. It's remoteless and it's going to be it's from VWick. That's sponsoring this, and what it does is it's part of operative conditioning. It's going to be part of what we call positive punishment, because what's going to happen is whenever the dog barks, there's going to be a tone. And from that tone, you can do a couple things in the settings. You can have it either stimulate the dog, vibrate the dog, or nothing. You can have the prongs on there. You can just tone it. And that tone is the operative conditioning, because when they're barking, they're gonna hear that tone and it's gonna tell them to stop barking, because they know there's a follow-up action. If they continue barking from the vibration in their neck, is going to stimulate them. So we're gonna show you real quick how it's gonna work. Rudo, sit. So if you hear on there, on this collar, there is a tone and he went down. This is called operating conditioning. So it's teaching him to recall to me, to sit, to stay, and to stop barking. So we're gonna put this bark collar on him and we're gonna show you how it works.
Hey guys, we're Madison Bell. Today we're showing off this new bark collar that we just received by VWick, spelled V-I-W-I-K. It says, dog bark control collar, a smarter way to teach training. We're going to teach you guys how to put it together and how it works on the dog. So the box comes with instruction manuals. It looks like it comes with the prongs to put onto the small one first. And then you put in the one with the holes. Now we have the end of the collar, the clip, and you go front to back. So, like that. Yeah. And now, last part. Hold on, I'm loose, I'm tightening it. So I have more length. Now the last part. You go up to create, up to create this loop right here, and you go back down so that it stays in place. And now we have this dangly bit here, and you're going to want to fix that together with the first piece that we put in. So that's the whole collar.
Guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do the function on the dog bark collar. So if you can tell, there's the two buttons. One is on the right, one is on the left. The right one is for turn on and turn off the collar. So the left one will be for the settings. So if we press long enough the right button, it's going to make noise and it's going to turn orange. So with the left button, when I press, it will allow you to set up the settings. So when you press one time, it's going to turn green. It's on the tone. When you press one more time, it turns to red, which is stimulation. So basically, when you select the left one and it turns to green, it's going to tone the dog. Why it's going to tone the dog? Especially when it barks. So it is a bark collar, so when it barks, it's going to tone it to let the dog know it's not okay to bark. And okay, on the other side, right across from the buttons, you will find another opening. You flip it open, and this is where a charger comes in the game. It's a regular Android charger, so not the new one, the old one version of it. You put it in here, make sure it's very tight to make it click. So now it's tight in there, and we put that in the outlet and make it charge. So usually it takes like a couple hours to fully charge, and it's good to go. Thank you guys.